Hello, this video is going to walk you through how to access your Shasta College student email account. From the main Shasta College website, click on the Shasta portal and log in. Once you are successfully logged in, navigate to My Apps and click on the Office 365 link. From the Welcome page, navigate to the Outlook icon on the left side. That will open your Outlook. From here, you can send and receive emails provided by Shasta College. If you need more tips and resources for student email, please visit www.shastacollege.edu/student-email. If you would like more information on Office 365, you can access that by clicking on the Office 365 for Education. This is additional information and resources where you can learn more about Office 365 and all that it offers. If you need assistance with technology, you can click on the Request Technology link. This is where you can find additional resources and support for any technology assistance you may need. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to access student emails. We hope that you've found it helpful. Stay tuned for more videos that will be posted soon.